Everybody, welcome to Forex Raja, your channel where we do the USD INR analysis for tomorrow's trade, which is 30th of August. Friends, let me first look at the 1 day chart. This is the 1 day daily chart of USD INR spot. And what I am trying to see here is from here last time during July, this is July month, okay, is when we hit the all-time high roughly about 80.23. This is the all-time high, and then we had a period of consolidation, and finally it couldn't hold that level and we saw a fall. But from this fall again we saw a recovery this month, and today we again hit a high almost close to this high, almost close. I think today's high was morning, before even the trade, 80.20 is what we hit. And from there onwards, from morning, if we see here, we held the level well, and after that there was a fall. I can show that to you in the 1 hour chart. So this is the 1 hour chart, and you can see here morning we made a very good high. After that high was made, slowly, we started falling. There was another attempt at it in the afternoon, and after that attempt there's been a selling that we are seeing. Now what is there for trade tomorrow is what we need to see. So if you can see here, I am trying to take a larger range to show you that we've spent maximum time at this range, which is exactly coming to 79.90. This is a very important range now for for a lot of people who are bullish on USD, and for those people who feel that it can break down. We've already seen one breakdown here, we've seen one breakdown here. So my clear view is that this is the key level which I highlighted yesterday also, I'm highlighting today also, and my trade would be here only if the opening tomorrow is above 79.91. If opening tomorrow is above 79.91, we will be on the buy side, because from here it's taken a dip and chances of it recovering back is also high. Again, our targets remains the same. With 79.91, we look at 79.97, then it's 80.033 and 80.12, and if 80.12 breaks, then we can again touch the all-time high of 80.235. that is the all-time high on the upside. Now on the lower side, if we break this line, if this line is broken, if we break this line tomorrow, which is the 79.91, if the opening is below 79.91 tomorrow, then on the downside we can even test this, which is the first line of 79.80, and if 80 breaks, we can go till here, which is the next line, which is 79.70. In between there could be a slight pullbacks and others, but this will be the general trend. If 9-1 is not holding today evening in the US session, and if we are not getting an opening in the morning above 79.91 in the morning tomorrow, if the opening doesn't come back at this level, then there's a chances that there's heavy pressure of selling that could come, because many people, traders, would give up that okay, this is the high, this is the max, and right now maybe it's not ready, spot is not ready to cross, and there could be heavy selling pressure that can be seen. So I request you to be very careful tomorrow. Remember the levels we have discussed and trade accordingly when you take your futures and options. Remember these levels and the trading points. Please do subscribe to our channel if you're liking our analysis. We bring this analysis daily, and please share this analysis with your friends and family who are interested in currency trading. We also have a premium channel where we give trading calls on a daily basis. You can join our Telegram channel at the bottom, the link is given in the description, and ask about our premium channel, and I'll be more than happy to give you information about my premium channel. Thank you so much, friends. See you tomorrow in the market.